Amber Heard's net worth is a point of contention, especially since her divorce from ex Johnny Depp. The pair have been embroiled in two nasty and extremely public lawsuits since 2019. It began when they first split in 2016, with their divorce settlement apparently being haggled in the press after Heard accused Depp of domestic violence and filed a restraining order against the actor. Depp later sued The Sun and its parent publisher for libel for calling him a wife-beater, which he lost, and the Pirates of the Caribbean star was denied an appeal. If you are interested in the story, you also might be thinking how Amber Heard spent her millions. Well, we are here to answer. So, in today's video, we will be showing you how Amber Heard spent her millions. Without further ado, let's begin. Now, Depp and Heard have been in a seemingly endless trial for defamation. Depp sued Heard for $50 million for defamation stemming from a 2018 op-ed she wrote for the Washington Post, in which she never names Depp but describes the public consequences she faced as a survivor of alleged sexual violence. Heard countersued for $100 million, alleging that Depp's lawyer, Adam Waldman, defamed her when he said her domestic violence allegations were a hoax. In 2006, Heard appeared in Alpha Dog alongside A-lister Justin Timberlake, Bruce Willis, Amanda Seyfried, Olivia Wilde, and Sharon Stone, as well as Trish in Price to Pay, and a guest role in an episode of Criminal Minds. She also had her first starring role in All the Boys Love Mandy Lane as the thriller's title character. She had more small roles in 2007, as well as a major role in the short-lived TV series Hidden Palms as Greta and a guest role in an episode of Californication. Heard would have a bit of a breakout year in 2008 thanks to the success of Pineapple Express, in which she appeared as Seth Rogen's much younger love interest, Angie Anderson, and The Informers, in which she had a starring role as Christy. See her in Pineapple Express below, but beware of NSFW language. Heard has an estimated net worth of $2.5 million, though it may actually be lower. Her income comes predominantly from her acting, as well as endorsements with beauty and jewelry brands. However, much of what would have been Heard's accumulated wealth has been tied up in various lawsuits and settlements, and the legal fees that come with them, including from her ongoing court battles with ex-husband Johnny Depp and a lawsuit over the critically and commercially failing film London Fields. Heard has admitted to having financial difficulties, specifically in relation to her pledged donations to the ACLU and Children's Hospital Los Angeles from her $7 million divorce settlement from Depp. In addition, Heard spent the majority of what she earns. Court documents from Heard and Depp's divorce proceedings revealed that at that point, she spent more than $43,000 every single month, including $10,000 a month towards her rent, $3,000 for healthcare costs, $2,000 on clothes, and $10,000 for vacations and entertainment. Since Heard's public feuding and litigation with Depp began, Heard alleged that her work was severely impacted. While testifying in court against Depp, Heard revealed that she was paid $1 million to star as Mira in Aquaman, plus unspecified box office bonuses. She also stated that she was paid $2 million up front for the upcoming sequel, Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom, and may receive box office bonuses for that as well. However, Heard alleged that the drama between her and Depp caused Warner Bros. To drastically reduce her role in the second Aquaman installment, saying on the stand, "I fought really hard to stay in the movie. They didn't want to include me in the film. I was given a script, and then given new versions of the script that had taken away scenes that had action in it, that depicted my character and another character, without giving any spoilers away, two characters fighting with one another, and they basically took a bunch out of my role. They just removed a bunch out." Additionally, more than 4.2 million people signed a Change.org petition asking that she be removed from Aquaman 2. Heard's salary for Justice League hasn't been widely reported, nor has her payday from Zack Snyder's Justice League. Heard's part in each is significantly smaller than in Aquaman. She explained on the stand, via Vanity Fair, of her contract to play Mira. "I signed on to do Justice League, where my character was introduced. The fee is small relative to what it will become if and when you do the other options or movies under that umbrella. So it was a contract for Justice League, which could then become Justice League 2, or it could be Aquaman, or it could be some other movie within the DC universe. And the second picture ended up being Aquaman, and the third being Aquaman 2. And each time the fee goes up. Heard and Depp co-starred in The Rum Diary, which filmed in 2009, while Depp was still in a relationship with ex Vanessa Paradis, and Heard was still attached to Tasia Van Ree. They didn't begin dating until 2011, when they embarked on a press tour for the film together, though they both acknowledge in court that they developed romantic feelings for one another while shooting the movie, even if they didn't act on them until later. In their divorce settlement, Depp agreed to pay Heard $7 million, which she pledged to donate to the American Civil Liberties Union and the Children's Hospital Los Angeles. She said in a statement at the time of the settlement agreement, as described in the restraining order and divorce settlement, money played no role in me personally and never has, except to the extent that I could donate it to charity and, in doing so, hopefully help those less able to defend themselves. Of the pledged $7 million, $3.5 million of which was going to each ACLU and Children's Hospital Los Angeles, Heard has only been credited with donating $1.3 million to the ACLU, and the ACLU alleges that not all of them came from her. In court testimony, ACLU Chief Operating Officer and General Counsel Terrence Doherty said that the amount includes $100,000 from Depp, $500,000 from a Vanguard account believed to belong to Heard's post-Depp ex, Elon Musk. Doherty said that Heard informed the ACLU in 2019 that was having financial difficulties. Heard also noted that her pledges were to be fulfilled over the course of 10 years, while Doherty said Heard never signed a pledge form that would have made her promise to donate $3.5 million sum legally binding. Heard's exact donation to Children's Hospital Los Angeles aren't yet known. However, People reported in April 2018 that Heard was honored by Children's Hospital Los Angeles for making a 7-figure donation. She said in a statement at the time, "My philanthropic efforts have always been centered around medical care, especially with women and children. Medical care always struck me as a basic human right and necessity. I have been doing this type of work for the last 14 years with children's hospitals and bringing, hopefully, laughs and alleviation and distraction to kids who are severely ill." Heard reportedly made $120,000 for work with jewelry brand Tiffany and $50,000 from Bulgari in 2015. Heard also had a contract with L'Oreal, but said on the stand that she wasn't able to do much for the brand since the Depp drama began. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.